Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the Low Key Grateful Challenge that's hosted by the ladies of the Scrappy 8 Facebook group. And so for the month of November, I decided to do a gratitude journal just to show how grateful I am for everything. And I just want to say happy Thanksgiving, first of all, and don't eat too much, and I hope everyone stays safe and happy. So pretty much everything in this gratitude journal is stuff that is happy mail or was gifted to me or things like that. It's works of art from a lot of other artists that I've received things from. So I'm just going to put some music on and I'm just going to do a flip through. so that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And I hope you guys enjoy the holidays. And like I said, be safe. And thank you to all of my subscribers. And for all the new people, thanks for stopping in. And have a great one. Happy crafting.